yesterday we did go down to Gainesville, Florida, and go to the University of Gainesville and went to visit the bat houses on the University of Gainesville athletic fields. They've got these two raised up in the air barns that hold 250,000 bats each, I think. But I have some interesting video of that. That's not a lot, but stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. This is the kiosk in front of the bat house. And this is what the bats look like inside. You see them. That's the Mexican three-tailed bat, or Brazilian three-tailed bat. And if you look at the poop pile underneath them, that's almost as huge. I imagine this one might be older than this one over here, although the piles are pretty good. And these are full of roughly 250,000 bats. And if you can look at them, look at the underside, it's all just little slats, and the bats crawl up in there and get comfortable, and they just hang out. And there's just slats and slats and slats. And there's a little ventilation shaft to keep the air good. But boy, I'll tell you, it stinks out here. I don't know if that's the bats or if that's just Florida. But let me change the mic. Standing underneath the houses, you can, it's all open, and you can hear the squeaking of the bats inside. Because they're all year long, they don't migrate because it's tropical Florida. But those are little 3/4 inch slots. They just fly up into those, and that's where they hang, so to speak. But it's really a pretty neat house. Obviously, they can house a lot of bats. Bats like to be side by side. I didn't see any in taking these pictures, but maybe if you blow it up on a 70-inch screen TV, maybe you'll see some up in there. Because they were making a lot of noise, the microphone just would not pick it up. There is a link in the description below for your own personal bat house if you want. It'll hold anywhere between 30 to 50 bats, so take advantage of that if you want. It gets a discount if you use the link. And if you're ever near Gainesville during the evening, stop by the bat house and see the incredible bats leaving the house. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next video.